Now you see Aman Ali, who's studying the first class, is climbing on artificial mountain through strips of a ladder. Come down slowly. Okay, now on, come down on slide cushion. Very good, nice. That one is free, my dear. That one is free. Okay, now climb on that. No, this one. This is free for you. No, you can climb, please. Go ahead. Wait cautiously. Okay. Go up. Now you see, this is very interesting fun for the students, for the children, for making them very brave. See, Aman Ali is on the top now. Okay, how you feel? Come down. With cautiously. Okay, now with interesting. That one is free, my dear. Okay.
I feel better.
You feel better?
Yes.
Nice. This is very best game for the students. Do you feel nice? Okay, what do you feel? Olu?
So good.
What do you feel? Now look behind. What do you feel?
Where do you live? Where do you live?
Magan. Go ahead. There are so many games. Among them, this is merry-go-round, and this one is, you see this like airplane. This is very nice. There are so many flying here for children. Children can enjoy on various different games here. This is on Eid offer, especially. See, Aman Ali is nice. Is trying his best to become the brave. But one thing is certain here, he proved very coward in that one game, which like aeroplane, because I have never given him chance to come and face such games here. I think this is the most important responsibility of parents, that they should give full cooperation to their kids. See, now on first game, just Aman Ali off-red, but now just on his own choice, on his own will, on his own determination, just he is doing very best. So after completion of this game, we are going to do next riding on merry-go-round.